Hi guys, it's Mike and today I'm back with a DIY craft hack. It's my anti-slip mat from my physiotherapist. I tried this in Reuma, as you might know, and she gave me this little bit. We call it ergotherapist, but I'm not sure the English. But I have it for opening jars and cans, and when I saw the live from Tim Holtz, I thought, oh, that looks the same. And in my little bit, there's the brand. It's called Dyson. So I went to look for it online because I needed more anyway for my normal day-to-day stuff. Where I got them on Premise Medical, they are going out of stock. So this one in row is like 20 times as big as the little sheet from the brand. And that was $12 I saw on Simon Says Stamp, and this one was €40, so $40 say for, well, as I say, twice the size. But it's also 2 meters long, so that's like 10 times as long, 20 times as big, for 3 times the price, I think. Doesn't matter because you can get them all. You can get them smaller as well, 20 centimeters. But as I said, they were going out of not stock, but discontinued. So they only had 40 centimeters left and 9 meters long. That was a bit much. But yeah, I got this one blue. They come in different colors. I will link to the shop below. That is self-care at home shop that has all the colors. And I don't care about silver or red or green or white was a bit maybe, but black. But I thought blue, you know, you can see it will stand out. Red was a bit too orangey red for me. But anyway, I've been using that little bit thing, not to open my jars, I have to be honest, but for my ink blending stuff and also my craft mat. And this you can just cut it with your craft knife, and you could see it wasn't very straight. I think that was me though, and not the mat. And once you put it there, it stays there. And it does attract some dust. So what I do is just clean it with my chamois. So I was thinking of things. I'm looking at what I'm doing. And you see I cut a little piece 15 by 15 centimeters off screen. And yeah, that will fit any stencil as well. You can make it bigger. I mean, you have 2 meters. I'm not bothered. I'm putting a bit underneath as well, so it doesn't move anymore. And I like it. I've been using it for my ink blending, like, you know, months. And then I saw it on the live, and I thought, oh, I have that already. I don't need to buy it. But I just wanted to show you that if you want to get the silver one, there's options as well. I didn't buy it because it was more expensive and was sold out. But yeah, I'm still holding it, as you can see, because I'm used to doing that. But I don't need to, because it doesn't move. And also with a stencil, as long as it grips on the blue, it won't move anymore. And yeah, if it gets greasy, you can just clean it with a soapy water, as it says on the box. And yeah, I'm looking here for a stencil that I had on my desk, and I'm just sticking it on, and it's not moving. So I'm sorry to say I need these in my day-to-day use, and that's why I know about them. People that are healthy and don't need, you know, these kind of implements to open jars or stuff, they might not know about this. But yeah, look for these. They're cheaper, they do the same, and you can get more colors. I'm cleaning it. I'm showing you the box as well, and I try to show you the price I paid on my bill, but it showed my address and email, so I canceled that. So thank you for watching. Bye.